This video will demonstrate the false deceptive bait and switch advertising used by Zip and Keen marketing the C3 climate control hose kits that were first developed by DocRebuild as reproductions. 30 plus years ago, I was fortunate to have all the different genuine GM blueprints for these climate control hoses. We were the first to offer reproductions of these 68 to 82 kits. After selling these kits to Zip, they simply copied them. They haven't ever displayed any evidence whatsoever to contradict or deny this claim. Take a good look at this Zip advertisement from the internet. This is clear bait and switch. There aren't 9 hoses in this kit, and there aren't 20 clamps in this kit either. I've numbered these hoses 1 to 9, and you can stop the video and count them yourself. In reality, this kit only has 4 hoses. But this ad makes it look like you're getting a lot more. 5 more hoses. Such a big deal. There is no pink stripe hose in this kit, but it sure looks pretty, doesn't it? Doesn't fool me, but like I said, I have the genuine GM blueprint for this hose kit. See these 2 green striped hoses? There are none used in this kit. There's nowhere to hook them up. It's blatant deception to inflate the content of this kit. There is no orange stripe hose in this kit either. How do I know? I got the GM blueprint, and there's no place to hook this up either. Here is more added fattening blubber to engorge this kit. There aren't 2 white striped hoses in this kit. The blueprint only shows 1 white striped hose. This leads to the next obvious false deception. What are the 20 clamps used for if there are only 4 hoses? 2 clamps per hose only requires 8 clamps. What are the other 12 clamps used for? Are they spare parts? Or are they more engorged blubber to fool you? Here it is again. Different vendor, same bait and switch tactic. Keen Corvette uses the same style of deceptive bait and switch advertisement for this kit. They even have more blubber showing. If the GM blueprint only shows 4 hoses, what are these 10 hoses used for in this enlargement of Keen's advertisement? What do the extra 6 hoses do? Inquiring minds want to know. This is the kit that DocRebuild offers, and this photo is factual. It shows what is really included. 4 hoses, and it also states the content of this kit. DocRebuild's kit also includes instructions as well as his own clear, logical, easy to follow, full color routing illustration. These other vendors don't mention any such content. We also include that oddball T-pipe fitting made from a high temperature automotive grade plastic, suitable for those high temperatures under the hood. Others don't even include this necessary part. Instead, you have to pay extra for a brittle Chinese piece of crap where the small nipple is prone to breaking. As shown in the 68 to 82 Corvette assembly instruction manuals, this oddball fitting is spliced into the large yellow stripe vacuum hose that is near the firewall. Caught again. Zip has done it again, made an incomplete copy of the DocRebuild offering, bloated their advertisement, and given it the same product identification as DocRebuild uses to confuse you. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Shame on you, David Walker, and your mouthpiece, Justin Abbott.